Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
All right, sliding into the new year like what? All right, so first look of the new year, you guys. I'm going to be jumping into my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, but before we pick up that first shade, I'm going to go ahead and pat in my P. Louise base. Put this on your lid all over from brow to lash line. I'm going to go ahead and start building up this half circle shape that you see here. I can't stress how important it is to get your shape right on the first shape that you put down or first color that you put down. That shape needs to be perfect because all of your colors are going to follow after. And if your shape's not right, the colors that follow after are not going to be right. So I'm just building up this half circle shape, filling it in, really making sure that it's right where I want it to be. Next, going in with my single MAC shadows in Brown Script and Saddle. Brown Script is going to be the more redder brown one. Saddle is that more cool tone, lighter brown. Going in with a Morphe M506 brush, I am really blending out that original half moon shape that I put on my eye, and also adding more color and building the shape up. So it should get bigger as you add colors. The shape should start to grow and also blend out. So the way that you do this is you take half of your bristles on that first shade that you put down and the other half of the bristles on the skin, and you start to blend. Ooh, that rhymes. Put them on the skin and you start to blend. So going back in with that OUD shade, I'm just going to re-add any color that I lost when I put Saddle or Brown Script down. Now going in with Saddle on a fluffier brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend out Brown Script. Keeping it in that half moon shape, making sure not to wing this out or anything like that. We want this in a circular shape. This is going to really complement the type of look that I'm trying to do today. So shapes do matter. Like if I was going out with a smoked out shape, it really wouldn't complement the glitter that I'm going to put down. I'm going back in with my Morphe M506, taking a little bit more of that Brown Script shade, adding that. Then I'm going to go back in, add a little bit more of that OUD color from the Huda Beauty palette, go back in with my fluffy brush, blend out Brown Script with Saddle. And this is just a process. You're building on your layers. I'm not going to, if I was to leave the look like this, it wouldn't look pigmented and just amazing and professional. So you build on your layers. You never just apply your colors for a dramatic or intense look and just leave it. So you work your way up, then you go back down. Then you might go back up again and back down one more time. So I usually apply and blend out my colors about 3 times. I'll apply my colors 1, 2, 3, then go back down 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And at the end of the day, the look looks like this. I just wanted you guys to see how both of the eyes match. The color is intense. The pigmentation looks great. We are ready to go in with our gel eyeliner. This is Inglot's gel eyeliner in number 77 in a MAC angled brush. I just like to stamp out the gel eyeliner first. And then I'm going to go in with a Suva Beauty much thinner eyeliner brush and just fill in this wing shape, bring it out a little bit. I want this wing to be really dramatic. We don't want a simple, nice, small wing. We want a big, long cat eye wing. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so yeah, that's what we're doing here. And then taking some NYX glitter glue on that Morphe M506 brush, I'm just brushing this glitter glue onto the eye, making sure I'm being very precise, being very careful, and keeping it in that half circle shape. So I'm not going to go too far above that brown shadow. I'm now going in with Cosmo, which is a pressed glitter from the Huda Beauty palette. I also went in with some chunkier glitter from Candio Love. So adding 2 different size glitters is going to add a lot more dimension to the eye and just make it pop and look a little bit better. I got a little bit of glitter on my gel eyeliner, so I went back into that Inglot gel eyeliner and just stamped it right back on the eye. I don't like to go in with my glitter first because it's really hard to fix it if you get it underneath your gel eyeliner. So going in with it after is just a better alternative. I'm now going in with a little bit of inner corner highlight, and I'm just highlighting that inner corner, putting on some lashes, dramatic lashes. If you don't have dramatic lashes, you can always glue 2 lashes together, what they call double stacking, and then putting those on your eyes. And it really makes a difference when you have these gorgeous dramatic lashes. Going in with the Beauty Blender, I'm just adding some concealer underneath my eyes, and then taking the same shadows that we put on the lid, I'm going to go ahead and smoke out that lower lash line. Now, smoking out the lower lash line is a great way to conceal any under eye wrinkles that you don't like and just give your eye a nice sultry, smoky look. I love doing it. I couldn't imagine doing my makeup without it for most of my looks. I went ahead and baked my under eye with some Airspun powder, and then went into the Saharan Blush Palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to go ahead and accentuate my cheekbones and also add a little bit of this blush and contour around my forehead. So I do find that adding contour to the forehead really pulls the look together and makes everything look cohesive. Make sure you blend out your bake and everything with some powder foundation. I'm adding a little bit of Huda Beauty lipstick, and I am done. All right, so that is it for today's video. My battery light is blinking, so I'm gonna try to make this quick. I really like this look. I think this is such a gorgeous look, and it really reminded me of something that you would wear on New Year's Eve. So I went ahead and put on a replica of something that I'll probably be wearing this New Year's Eve. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, as you can see, it is a freaking sweat outfit because it is COVID-19, and I just don't think I'm gonna be doing anything this New Year's, unfortunately. I was gonna try to take a trip to go skiing in Tahoe, but I'm not gonna be doing it this year. It's just too much. It's too much shit going on. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it close to home, probably snuggle up with my babe, watch Netflix, eat hella food because I like to eat. So yeah, I've got a haul video coming up next week. I did a massive haul again. Too Faced, P. Louise, Juvia's Place. So if you wanna see that, stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, turn your notifications on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Happy New Year's!
Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no